I'm in the parking lot of Menards right now. You can kind of see where it looks, you know, there's a dark spot. Looks like it might be snowing quite a bit there. Yeah. Figures. They said the worst of this storm isn't supposed to come in until about 7, but who knows? You know, that was from Michigan Storm Chaser, so yeah. Alright, well, just got out of work and let me tell you, it's the wind's picking up a bit and snow's coming down quite a bit. Go figure. Kind of hoping to make it home before the storm, or before the snow rolled in even more, but yeah, that didn't happen, unfortunately. Oh, man.
3 to 5 possible. Both of those, the warning and the advisory run through 7 o'clock tomorrow. Should you shovel it now or maybe wait till the weekend? We could be into the 40s by then. In the meantime, cold tonight, lows down to 12 tomorrow, a high is 17, and we're at 30 with clouds and snow with 93.7, be 93.
Hang tight.
Well, there you have it. Yeah. Well, I'm gonna try and get home before it gets even worse. Yeah. Man, it's super snowy where I'm at. Well, not as bad as it was, but then you look to the west. Like, okay. Looks like it's clearing up, but we're supposed to be getting more snow overnight from what I was told. Michigan weather can be crazy sometimes, man. I tell you what. Wow.